This is a short AV on their journey over the past years.
To honor and recognize those industry professionals who have spent a long and successful career contributing successfully to the film and media industries, called the Whistling Woods Maestro Award. The awardees are chosen by the students and faculty of Whistling Woods each year, and they are honored at our annual convocation. Past Maestro awardees have included Ms. Jaya Bachchan, Mr. Javed Siddiqui, Mr. Kamal Hassan, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia, Mr. Dilip Kumar, Wahida Rahmanji, Gulzar Saab, Mr. Shami Kapoor, Mr. Yash Chopra, and Mr. Ashok Mehta. Today too, we would be giving out 2 special Maestro awards. Them. I would like to call on the visionary, who's the reason that all of us are here today. Please welcome the legend of Indian cinema, I would now like to invite our special guest, Ms. Zeenat Aman, to join me on stage. To join Subhashji and Meghna to present the Maestro Award to Anandji.
Faculty, I'm just so happy to be part of this evening and this convocation, to see, all the young talent on display here on the screen. And, my son was also part of Whistling Woods, so it's very special to me. And I just wish you all the very best, when you step, put your foot forward in the industry, so to speak, and into the world in general. But most of all, I'd like to thank Meghna and Subhashji for calling me here and giving me this great honor of being part of this evening to honor the work of Kalyanji Anandji. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's my great, great honor to be here this evening. Good luck. God bless.
We have with us a protege of Kalyanji Anandji, Ms. Palak Muchal. We request her to come up and just hum a few lines for them. Yeah, Mike.
I must share with you is that Kalyanji Anandji has I must share with you that Kalyanji Anandji has introduced so many beautiful singers right from the very beginning. If you know Alka Yagnik, Sadhna Sargam, so many singers, I would say, who became big stars have been the protege of Kalyanji Anandji. And Anandji and Kalyanji have been always taking keen interest in introducing newcomer. And the latest protege is Palak Muchal here. So she has specially come here to give her tribute to Kalyanji Anandji by singing few notes for them.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। सबसे पहले मैं तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी सुभाष घई सर का, जिन्होंने मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दी कि मैं आनंद जी अंकल के बारे में कुछ कह सकूँ। आनंद जी अंकल का आशीर्वाद मेरे साथ तब से है जब मैं 4 साल की थी, एंड मेरे जैसे कई सारे सिंगर्स हैं जिन्हें उन्होंने गाइड किया। मेरे लिए तो वो एक गाइडिंग लाइट की तरह है, एंड उनके ही आशीर्वाद की वजह से आज मुझे इतने सारे गाने बॉलीवुड में मिल पाए। उनकी सिखाई हुई हर छोटी बड़ी चीज़ मेरी ज़िंदगी का एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट हिस्सा है। मैं उनके लिए इतना ही कहना चाहती हूँ, यूँ तो दिखावे के लिए लोग दिल से मिलते हैं, यूँ तो दिखावे के लिए लोग दिल से मिलते हैं, लेकिन जो दिल से मिलते हैं वो बड़ी मुश्किल से मिलते हैं। मेरे साथ कोई साज नहीं है, इसलिए मैं चाहती हूँ आप सभी मेरा साथ दें तालियों के साथ। और इस दिल में क्या रखा है, तेरा ही प्यार छुपा रखा है, तेरा ही प्यार छुपा रखा है। ओ साथी रे तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना। फूलों में कलियों में, फूलों में कलियों में, सपनों की गलियों में, तेरे बिना कुछ कहीं ना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना। मैं चाहती हूँ आप सभी मेरे साथ गाएं, बहुत ही पॉपुलर गाना है, मेरा मोस्ट फेवरेट सॉन्ग है। छोड़ दे सारी दुनिया किसी के लिए, ये मुनासिब नहीं आदमी के लिए, प्यार से भी ज़रूरी कहीं काम है, प्यार सब कुछ नहीं जिंदगी के लिए। छोड़ दे सारी दुनिया किसी के लिए, ये समा समा है ये प्यार का, किसी के इंतजार का, दिल ना चुरा ले कहीं मेरा मौसम बहार का। ला 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 ला, हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में, खुश नसीब है वो जिनको है मिली ये बहार जिंदगी में, हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में। थैंक यू सो मच।
We'd now like to request Mr. Anand Ji Shah to say a few words. Of the fashion school, Miss Neeta Lulla, who's very close to Hema Ji as well, so I request her to come up on stage and present Isha the award along with Subhash Ji. Isha, we request you to say a few words.
Good evening, everyone. Namaskar. And in advance, Eid Mubarak. And I'm here on behalf of my mother, who is unfortunately not able to be here today due to obvious circumstances and reasons. She went through a very bad accident. She's under recovery and she's getting well with all your blessings and good wishes. So let's give her a big hand for that. I today stand here as a very proud daughter of a mother who has, like a lot of the video bites which said that she is traditional yet unconventional. And she is a woman of substance. She is someone who has lived her life on her terms. And she is someone who is very pure from her heart. And she's not a superwoman. So, pun intended. I hope you know what I mean. And I just wish my mother a soon recovery, a healthy life, a happy life. And I am extremely proud to be her daughter. And I'm extremely thankful to Mr. Ghai. What a guy. What a guy. You are a rock star. You have given this industry such unbelievable movies. I wish I could have been part of one of your movies. But I'm very happy that my younger sister, Ahana, was also part of Whistling Wood. And she studied there with all you students also. And I wish you all the students, all the very best. And I'm sure, you know, with a living legend like Mr. Ghai here today, who's given our industry so much, I'm sure y'all are going to accomplish way loads and make him proud and keep Whistling Wood whistling all the way. So let's give it up for Whistling Wood. Thank you.
Thank you, Isha. Now for our keynote speaker at this convocation, Mr. Narayan Murthy. Honestly, he does not need any introduction. He is the leader that all other leaders look up to. That said, to properly introduce Mr. Narayan Murthy, I would like to invite
It's quite a big honor for Hema Malini today. Of course, your mother is not here to give the opportunity. But how does it feel, you know, getting achievement, such awards from especially the students, the future of the industry?
I would like to wish the students of Whistling Wood all the best. My sister has been a student of Whistling Woods herself. And I think Mr. Ghai is giving her this award. Unfortunately, she's not here. She's under recovery, and I'm proud to receive this award on behalf of my mother.
But there's been a constant blame game, you know, from the victim's family.
Did she speak to you with your mother about the accident?
पता नहीं क्या बोली, मैं खुद उधर तक नहीं पहुंच पाया तो
आनंद जी सिर्फ एक सवाल है, FTII को लेके जो बहुत सवाल आजकल चल रहा है उसको लेके ही बात करनी है कि आपको ये FTII में जो गजेंद्र चौहान जी को बैठाया गया है और जो स्टूडेंट्स विरोध कर रहे हैं उस पर आपका क्या ओपिनियन?
रियली स्पीकिंग आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट इट।
हिंदी में
मैं बाहर गाँव गया था, अभी मुझे मालूम ही नहीं कुछ।
सर पिछले 1 मंथ से स्टूडेंट्स स्ट्राइक पे हैं कि गजेंद्र चौहान जी को वहाँ का चेयरपर्सन
नहीं, मुझे नहीं कुछ पता, क्योंकि मैं स्टूडेंट रहा ही नहीं ज़िंदगी में, तो कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर। थैंक यू।
बोल रहे हैं ओके।
उनका कहना है कि गजेंद्र चौहान कोई बहुत बड़े तोप वाले तो नहीं है, इससे बहुत सारे और सीनियर लोग हैं, बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े लोग हैं फिल्म सिटी में, उनको लाना चाहिए, उनका ये मानना है, इसलिए वो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। 1 महीने से पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है FTI। हाँ तो इसलिए
सर क्या सोचते हैं आप, कितना सही है ये? जैसा कि मैडम ने बताया कि कितना सही है ये सारी चीज़ें?
नहीं, अब सही कितना ये तो मालूम नहीं, लेकिन और लंबाई चलने वाला है।
जी सर, उनका कहना है कि वो गजेंद्र चौहान को नहीं मानते एज ए हेड, उनका कहना है कोई और लाना चाहिए, जबकि बीजेपी सरकार का कहना है कि नहीं गजेंद्र चौहान ही रहेंगे। और गजेंद्र चौहान का भी कहना है कि मैं हटूंगा नहीं, अगर कोई सरकार को हटाना तो हटाए, मैं हटूंगा नहीं।
सरकार क्या,
अगर सरकार को हटाना तो हटा दे, मैं नहीं हटूंगा। तो अब डेडलॉक हो गया सर उसके बीच में।
गॉड ब्लेस।
About the celebration of the success of these youngsters who have completed their wonderful degree. So therefore, let's stick to the subject of Whistlewood Institute today, and basically media and communications. That would be.
Thank you for coming. I would say that today is the 8th convocation of the success of the Whistling Woods. You have always been with us, and you have seen the struggle, rise and fall, and problems and success and merits of Whistling Woods. There is nothing that you do not know about it, you see. But one thing we are proud to say, that our students who have passed from here, they are doing fantastic. They are in media, they are in cinema, they are working, they are really creative. We are very happy for the success of the students, and that's what matters. And second thing is that we believe in a quality education with a creative mind. If you ask me, I would say that we thought probably in the beginning, in 2000 when I started setting up this institute, that time it was in my mind for the Skill India, for the Digital India, for Make in India. All these things were there in our mind, which we are hearing from Prime Ministers finally somewhere in practical life. And Whistling Wood is meant for all these 3 skills. So I would like you to ask any question regarding Whistling Woods. We are here, and we are honored that Mr. Murthy has spent his time with us, shared with his views with the students, and I think it is a golden moment for Whistling Woods to have Mr. Murthy with us. And please ask your question.
जी मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, जब इस तरह की कॉन्वोकेशन सेरेमनी होती है तो कहीं ना कहीं अपने कॉलेज डेज को भी याद करते होंगे आप, उनके वो मोमेंट याद आता है जब आपको कॉन्वोकेशन परफॉर्मेंस से सम्मानित किया जाता है, जब आपने अपना कॉन्वोकेशन किया?
जब भी ऐसे कॉन्वोकेशन होते हैं तो आपको अपने कॉन्वोकेशन की याद आती है, अपने कॉलेज डेज की याद आती है कि कितने बड़े ड्रीमर थे, और बाद में वो कॉन्वोकेशन तो हुआ, उसके बाद स्ट्रगल कितना करना पड़ा, उसके बाद ह्यूमिलेशंस आनी पड़ी, काम नहीं मिला, फिर काम ढूंढा, फिर काम किया, तो फिर जो प्रोफेशन ने सिखाया वो उससे भी ज़्यादा सिखाया. दैट इज़ वाई वी टेल आवर स्टूडेंट्स टू बी स्टूडेंट टिल द एंड ऑफ योर लाइफ, बिकॉज लाइफ विल टीच यू मोर. तो मुझे भी याद है, लेकिन मुझे अपना बचपन भी याद है कि जब मैं चल भी नहीं सकता था, माँ ऐसे पकड़ती थी. तो सब चीज़ें याद तो आती हैं.
You know that is why in America it's called commencement. When you finish your degree, that's when you commence your life. That's when you see the reality of life. That's when you face yourself with a lot of difficulties and successes. So therefore, as a former student of FTII, I mean it's a great story that he has founded an institute which is clearly at this point in time, the best in India. Now, I went through the institute this morning and spent some time, thanks to Meghna ji. I went through various sections and I was very impressed with the kind of faculty they have, the kind of students, and the technology, a kind of technology labs they have, whether it is 3D stuff from Sony or the YouTube Apple stuff or 4K display stuff, 4K production stuff. There is no doubt at all that this institute, as was pointed out by, I forget the person who did that, it's one of the top 10, was it
Ravi Gupta.
top 10 in the world. No, an American
Hollywood Reporter.
Hollywood Reporter said it's one of the top 10 such institutes in the world. So I think we are all lucky that there is such an institute in India, and these youngsters, these children have gone through wonderful training, and some of them have already accomplished quite a lot. I mean, they have participated in various directorial assignments and cinematography and various things. They have a wonderful wall you may have seen in their institute. So I think it's a great day. It's a day when we should celebrate the success of the youngsters. I'm also very impressed about one thing in this industry. One, as I said in my speech, this is a true meritocracy. There is no other sector of economy, there is no other aspect of Indian life which is as meritocratic as this. It doesn't matter what part of India you come from, it doesn't matter what caste you belong to, it doesn't matter what religion you come from, it doesn't matter whether you're rich or poor, you have talent, you succeed. That's one. I think the second thing is that this industry and has demonstrated one method of uniting India, because of Bollywood, people in the south have learned a smattering of Hindi thanks to Bollywood. So therefore I think we need to encourage such institutes in a big way if we want to create a sense of oneness in India, because the film medium is a very powerful medium, and any institute that provides input to that industry has to be nurtured very, very well. I only hope that all of you will write about how we need to strengthen the FTIIs, Whistling Wood Institute and others, which are the foundations of a strong, united India, because Bollywood in some way unites India.
Talking about FTII, it's your alma mater. What do you think about what is happening there, sir?
Let's talk about the wonderful thing of today.
Let us talk what is happening in Whistling Wood.
Yeah, because this is about the celebration,
Sir, पर कहीं ना कहीं स्टूडेंट्स की बात हो रही है, स्टूडेंट्स की बात हो रही है, तो FTI भी कहीं बहुत दूर नहीं है, इसी मुद्दे से जुड़ा हुआ है सर, तो उसके बारे में सुभाष जी आपका कहना तो बनता है सर.
You see, FTI is my mother institute. I have my whole heart with institutes and the students and the education, and FTI only inspired me to set up this institute. It's not that, and I set up after 40 years rather say. लेकिन मेरा ये कहना है कि जो एजुकेशन है उसके ऊपर बहुत ध्यान देना चाहिए. एजुकेशन टीचर से जुड़ी है एंड स्टूडेंट से जुड़ी है, सो इट हैज़ टू बी टेकन केयर बाय टीचर्स. Like Whistling Wood is a institute not of Subhash Ghai. There is no chairman, there is no head. Whistling Wood is handled by, run by teachers, a group of academics. Academics जो हैं, जो professionals हैं, वो चलाते हैं. हम सिर्फ मैनेज करते हैं. तो जब आप रियली एजुकेशन की बात करते हैं या स्टूडेंट्स की बात करते हैं, तो स्टूडेंट्स, टीचर एंड एजुकेशन को हैंड बाय हैंड, दे शुड ऑल रिस्पेक्ट ईच अदर. बस बाकी मेरा कोई कमेंट नहीं है कि गवर्नमेंट को करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए, ये आदमी ठीक नहीं, वो आदमी ठीक नहीं.
If you are motivated for a final education, you create a better institutes.
But I think the important thing is we have to make FTIs stronger. We have to make Whistling Wood Institute stronger, because these institutes provide not only artists for the industry, they also provide academicians for starting new institutes. I don't think India has enough institutes for the film industry. Given that we probably are the largest producer of films in the world, we need more such institutes.
And
so
if you look at it, if you look at it, 80% of our teachers at Whistling Woods are from FTI.
Yeah.
Imagine this.
No, but then how would you strengthen them? Would that be putting up better chairpersons, better directors, or making the students
Because
understand
you see,
that
it is a government school, the government has to take decisions. If it is my school or our school, then we will take. Our board will take decisions. We have a group of advisory board, we have academy board, we have a governing council. Anand Mahindra is the chairman of the governing council. Sham Benikar is the academy. So we have a huge board part of it. So they take decisions.
No, I think we need to bring in a sense of world-class autonomy to all these institutions. We have to bring the most eminent, highly respected people to be on the boards of these institutes. We have to provide sufficient financial support to the government institutes. May not be Whistling Woods International, but at least for FTIs, I think we'll have to strengthen the financial support. We have to make sure that they have the latest technology. We have to make sure that they have interaction with such institutes abroad. We have to make sure that this institute can benchmark itself with the global institutes of this kind, of the FTI kind, so that FTI becomes the best in the world. That's all there is to it. There's nothing more.
स्पर्श सर, जिस तरह से आपने कहा कि आप इंस्टीट्यूट चलाते हैं, इतने सारे बच्चों को आप हैंडल करते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं उनसे इंटरेक्शन करते हैं, इस वक्त वही स्टूडेंट्स जो FTI के हैं वो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। बात स्टूडेंट कैसी हो रही है?
उनको वही चाहिए।
2 मिनट। तो क्या आपको लगता है कि इस तरह से प्रोटेस्ट करना, अगर वो किसी के लिए कर रहे हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो जो है शायद कोई
You see, because I tell you one thing, because I am not involved in it, so it is not right for me to comment anything on it.
That's right.
And particularly when I am running an institute, I have my own discipline, I have my own programs. I am so busy in it. It is not right on my part to comment in it because I am not involved in it.
Correct.
If you ask me some other question.
मेघना जी, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, मेघना, आपका और स्टूडेंट्स के बीच का एक जो एज गैप की बात करें तो बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस नहीं है। जब आप स्टडी कर रही थी तब के स्टूडेंट्स में क्या थॉट प्रोसेस आपने देखी थी, अब कितना फर्क यूथ में आया है, चाहे वो इंडस्ट्री की यूथ हो, चाहे एक्टिंग हो, जब प्रोड्यूसर की बात करें, चाहे डायरेक्शन की बात करें, किस तरह की थॉट प्रोसेस आप देख रही हैं इंडस्ट्री को लेकर?
जब हमने whistling woods स्टार्ट किया था तो स्टूडेंट्स उतने ही इंटरेस्टेड थे मीडिया एंड कम्युनिकेशन में, करियर में एक हिस्सा लेने के लिए, बट पेरेंट्स हमेशा उनको रोक लेते थे। इन 10 सालों में हमने ये नोटिस किया है कि जो स्टूडेंट है वो 7th, 8th, 9th स्टैंडर्ड में डिसाइड कर लेता है कि मुझे आर्टिस्ट बनना है, मुझे सिनेमाटोग्राफर बनना है, मुझे मीडिया एंड कम्युनिकेशन में BBA करना है। पेरेंट्स को 5 साल मिलते हैं प्रेपरेशन के। तो आजकल के जो बच्चे हैं वो बहुत ही फोर्थकमिंग हैं, उनको शुरू से पता है। आई थिंक टेक्नोलॉजी हेल्प्स इन दैट, they know what they want to do and they convince their parents, they have enough time to convince their parents to actually be able to do and get education in an institute like ours. We have just tied up with the Tata Institute of Social Sciences and उसकी वजह से we have seen कि हमारे जो student applications आए हैं वो ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स आए हैं जो NID में और इंजीनियरिंग करते हुए वो सब मेडिसिन छोड़ के whistling woods आए हैं। तो they are really here to do what they love, which is really really amazing about these bunch of students.
टाटा इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ जुड़ने के बाद एक कहीं ना कहीं पेरेंट्स की जो थॉट है वो चेंज हुई होगी। शिवाजी, मैं आपसे भी जानना चाहूँगी, मेघना से भी जानना चाहूँगी, तो क्या उससे बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ रहा है? अब जो स्टूडेंट्स की संख्या वो बढ़ती जा रही है?
You see, naturally when we affiliate ourselves with the profound universities or profound institutions, you see, definitely the confidence levels go up. Even our confidence go up that we are doing right, and the parents also, the students also, so everything goes up. and then you have a responsibility to see to that you improve your quality also.
See, what I would like to say is that until a few years ago, if your kid got 90% or more, you would push them in engineering, science, commerce. Yeah? Arts, if you've got 60-50%, you must be knowing. Then you would come to art. Film and TV was never, even thought of. Today, the kind of students we are getting, that doesn't matter. There's no barrier. So we are getting the best students in the country. They are talented and intelligent. So I think the dynamic combination in the next 5 years, you will see the industry change in such a way because of this combination of intelligence as well as training as well as talent.
Thanks a lot. मेरा सवाल सुभाष सर से है। यहाँ बात सेलिब्रेशन की हो रही है। तो एक और एक सेलिब्रेशन है जो आज मनाई जा रही है बजरंगी भाईजान के रिलीज पर। सर सलमान खान जी की फिल्म है तो क्या आपने देखी है या देखना चाहेंगे उस फिल्म को? उसमें विस्लिंग वुड्स कहाँ?
कल उन्होंने स्पेशल स्क्रीनिंग रखा था विस्लिंग वुड्स के लिए। कल रात को हमने फिल्म देखी है। जी हाँ, और
That is the whistling was advantage.
Yes, कि उन्होंने दिखाई हम सबको और हमें बहुत अच्छी लगी बिकॉज ये फिल्म के अंदर मैसेज भी है, इमोशंस हैं और राइट स्टोरी है. Salman and everyone has done so good that you feel that it is really a film, a heartwarming film, I would say. I will recommend you to go. All the best.
Wonderful. Thanks.
So now with the press conference, just can I ask you a question about the government is saying that there is Achhe Din. Do you agree with that? The Achhe Din is here right now.
No, I think today we should limit it to whistling birds. I hope. Huh? You are very kind, but. Huh?
I'd like to ask you a question regarding what you said in your speech, that Indians or the students should try and become like Steven Spielberg.
Absolutely.
And even at the Indian Institute of Science, you said that the progress is not much.
Yeah.
Is it because of the colonialization that Indians went through? Are we still in that mindset?
Well, I think there are multiple factors. One of which is, yes, as you said, probably colonization, for long years. Second is our system of education has focused much more on rote learning. Our system has not focused on relating what we learn in the class with the real life phenomena around us. Our system has focused too much on examinations, too much on coaching classes. So therefore, we have to start using what we learn in the class with what's happening around us, certainly in science and technology. But one good thing with the film industry I find is, film industry in India is one which has shown a lot more originality than most other sectors, because music, just today we saw the glimpses of Anandji's music, right? It's all original, it's all Indian, right? Therefore, if we keep to our original, that we will certainly become better. There is a lot we can learn from the film industry. Absolutely.
And that really is the ethos of Whistling Woods, where we teach them about India, Indian culture, Indian stories, but to teach them the best practice followed all over the world. So today, if you saw the diploma film promos, 90% of them were Indian stories, rural stories that students are trying to tell. And I think this is what's going to take us internationally.
You see, to develop this cultural ethos is our responsibility in children. That is why we started 5th Veda at Whistling Woods. On every Thursday, we have a program where we call the masters of different art, classical, dance, music, painting, poetry, and they take a workshop and perform. They perform and take a workshop and ask students to perform in them. And they connect them to the ancient art, the classical arts, and journey to the modern art. So this is a new kind of a happening in the Whistling Woods, where the children are getting connected to the original culture and original cultural ethos too.
But Subhashji, what I would request you is this. If there's a way you can talk to the government of Maharashtra and get some land nearby so that the youngsters can live in hostel nearby, they will be able to learn better. They will be able to contribute better to the industry. They will be able to raise the image of India. They will be able to add value to the exchequer. From all counts, it will be so much better if we can build hostels for the children, for the youngsters, next to your school, so that they can work even harder.
That is so important,
I
sir.
think that's very important.
We have been struggling with the government.
Kindly take it up with the government, and I am positive that the government, if the officers come, if the Chief Minister comes and looks at all the wonderful things that you're doing, I am confident that they will realize the importance of providing facilities for the youngsters. After all, it is for the youngsters of this country.
Thank you,
When you're talking about this entire, you're talking about how depressing it has been for the last so many years. You don't know whether the convocation will be held next year as the. What is the status right now? What is the condition and where do you stand right now?
The court has given us a stay order, sanctioning us with 5.5 acre land, and retaining the institutes, continue the educations. But still, you see, we need land for hostels, for our research centers. So we are applying to the government. Hopefully, the government will support us.
Has there been any kind of positive response that you've received?
Sorry?
Have you received any kind of positive response on these things?
See, they always talk positive. Then let the result comes, then we'll announce it. Right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks a lot. Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you, sir.